4:20, and we are just outside Grand Bazaar, and then we're gonna go to the old town, grab something to eat, and then we can look around to shop. There's Mustafa Kemal Atatürk statue. You'll see him everywhere.
Too much rate for this.
There's aquarium.
His rate is 30.
ওই দেখ কেউ এলো এইছে কিতা ডান্ডা একটা এই ওই যে টুরিস্ট গুলো আইছে দেখছস নি খালি আমি নাই ওই তো ওইটা প্রপার টুরিস্ট দেখ রে নি so this is the Grand Bazaar as you can see in front of us, but we're gonna eat first inside the old town and then ওই the মানুষ this is the port.
Tomorrow.
So let's have a look. Kita hai dai bhai.
Easy peasy, that's crazy.
বাড়াই যাইতে নি ফুইলা হোম দিকে বাড়াই যাইতে না ভিতরে দিকে বাড়াই চাই aja pada deh phone let's go grab some to eat oh no Alibaba oh no Alibaba lots of scooters here. This is the side of the Grand Bazaar. Business card, look. We have my Facebook group like 5,200 customers we have. Okay. Yeah, for winter I send you always. No problem for right now. Is this your shop, bro? Nice shop. How long have you run it for, bro? Like 10 years. 60 for today.
I will 60 pound I take.
Okay, take 60 for today. You'll be happy.
60?
Yeah, take 60. You can send here, this is not charge for
Even
this.
60 pound and one perfume for my wife.
75 one perfume.
Oh, too much, bro.
Okay, 70 and one perfume.
65
or one perfume.
Okay, no problem.
But sure, this is good one.
Brother, you see, I will put water
Let me
and
see it.
Oh,
Let me
look.
see it.
This same quality
Oh,
with
it must be,
this.
Brother, you choose what you want. She will help you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. See you. When you want, if you want, you will come. Yeah. Let's have a look what you want.
They're taking both. The for chassis.
হ্যাঁ একটা ফুল মুড়ি দোকান বে
Zika photo be eta kidding.
you don't have glass cube no okay no problem what about this fridge bag na how much are they huh?
50p. Or now what do you think of?
Okay
Pound, I give 2 per 50 pound. Give me 100 lira. Give me 120, I'll give me 120. 100 or which color one? White one or black one? Black. What size your size? 7?
No, not for me. What size you got?
UK 11
UK 11.
Yes, come on. Come.
So Shamu's getting a slider from this shop.
One first one like red.
So this is the
Another shirt can you see? They had some nice shirts.
Brother, black one, yeah, who goes now?
11.
You size 11, yeah, 45, yeah. Size 11, size 11. This piece, 45.
oh yeah, we did, didn't it?
That's the one you need to get the pink for your house and then
Yeah, you can move it.
you might as well get it now.
Let's just try this shop.
Let's go to the shop and pick some stuff.
देखिए साइन अरे क्या पैसे में brother you have England top kids yeah 13 you almost finished your shopping
আর দেখো না কত ফাইল আছে ফাইল
Nusrat Zaitai.
ফাইল put some money to the side.
it's brother skin
Maybe cancel.
England ki that top
New top, brother. New England top. New top. Yeah. This league. New season. New season. Yes. What's that?
is 13-year-old
Brother, no other color. No different color.
Well, we must get in and then come if I see PSG.
Okhana se
You don't try to wear these in it.
It's like
no let's have a look at that one
দুটো ঠিক আছে কাজ এটা ঠিক আছে actually
what size this one
170.
English size, you know.
is
You know,
it
like
small
medium, large.
Kids,
looking for girls maybe girls like this anything say Turkian or Marmaris
Marmaris t-shirt.
yeah maybe Marmaris or Turkey anything like that
Yes, t-shirt. Kids.
yes girls one is 4 and 9
4 and
yes hey are you with
Coffee this guy, 320.
yeah
Man went to the stray dog and come on.
Broke. Broke now, broke.
I'm baffled. How if he's funny?
so what happened
Coffee this guy, 320.
textile collection gift shop
Yeah, I got most of my stuff like.
ah
Ali brother, yeah. Mari rice.
Already eat brother. Full. Full.
So, did we go this way? Did we go this way? So, 20, let's try this way.
Let's try the my shop.
We are.
I bought some already, bro, but I'll come and check it later or tomorrow.
Indecision.
Aisini. ওখানে ফ্রিজ মাগনাত আছে এটা বাদ ফ্রিজ মাগনাত আচ্ছা একটা ফাস্টটা লাগি
Anything cheaper? No, cheaper, not more expensive. So, I will take these.
These are quite nice. These are nice.
Can make me a discount? Well, how are we going to find that shop again?
110, 100.
Or did we take 4 today?
So the temperature is 31.5 and it's 10 to 10. We just done our bazaar shopping and heading out to the hotel.
Yeah, no,
So this is the marina.
Yeah.